Welcome back to Smoke and Grill with Will. Tonight we're doing a pork butt. We're going to inject this pork butt. In this cup we have a mixture of 1 tablespoon of Pigs Fly BBQ Rub, a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, 3/4 of a cup of apple juice, and a quarter cup of Old West BBQ Dipping Sauce. After you inject the pork butt, you'll use mustard as a binder. This pork butt is 9 pounds, and you're going to inject the meat because it gets more flavor into it. Now that we have our mustard binder on, we'll hit it with Pigs Fly BBQ Rub and Yardbird Rub. Alright, we let it set for an hour and a half in the seasoning. Now we are outside. We got the Traeger running at 250 degrees, and we're using Chop House Blend by Bear Mountain for pellets. Open the smoker up, put the fat cap up, and let it smoke for 12 hours. Alright, so it's been 12 hours. We'll check the temperature. It's at 170 degrees internal. So we'll take the pork butt off, put it in a steam table pan with apple juice, apple cider vinegar, and our barbecue rub. Off camera, I misted the pork butt with apple juice and apple cider vinegar at 4 hours and 8 hours to get a little bit of moisture on it while it was smoking. Now that we have it wrapped back up in our aluminum foil and steam table pan, we'll put it back on the smoker for 3 hours or until it's over 200 degrees internal. I'll see you then. Alright everyone, welcome back. Check the temperature. You should feel little to no resistance, and we're at 210 degrees, so we'll take it off and I'll meet you back inside. You'll take the pork butt out of the steam table pan and wrap it in aluminum foil and let it set for 2 hours. Now that we have it unwrapped, we'll see how we did, and as you can see, it's fall off the bone tender, so we'll get this shredded up and give it a taste. As you can tell by my reaction, it was really good. So please like and subscribe.